7 is now arrived.
Hey, wait for us, Classic Kalo.
I'm so alright now. My parents are pieces and always get me round for stupid reasons. This needs to stop right now. I hope what I do today. Oh wait, I got it. Hey Dad, can I please go to the bathroom?
Yes you can. But be quick.
Hey you fools. Get out of the way right now so that I can control this plane.
Hey you kid, what do you think you're doing here after all? Get out of here right now or else I'll have to kick you out of the plane.
Hell no. Why the hell do I even need to get out of here anyway? You're not even the boss of me. I do whatever the heck I want, so shut up and deal with it, and just get out of the way so that I can control this plane, right now.
Oh my freaking god, this is getting out of control. Kid, can you just please shut up and leave us alone? Can't you see that I'm just busy controlling the plane? This area is not suitable for you. So get the heck out of here right now before I kick you out.
I don't care, 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 I don't freaking care. Also, don't you joke with me, so that you're not leaving my boss and you should know it by now. At this point, I need to control this plane and very freaking final. So, get the heck out of here and let me control it right now. That's sorry. I'm gonna kick you out so that you will never control this plane.
Great, now it's my chance to control this plane whatever the heck I want. Ha 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 ha. Attention all passengers. It's hijacking time. Now, everyone in this plane is going to die except for me. So, enjoy you fools. Ha 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 ha.
Oh my god, I think I'm going to crash. Wah 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 wah. Classic Halo, classic Halo, classic Halo, classic Halo, classic Halo, get over here right now, now. Are you freaking out of the mind right now, Classic Halo? How dare you hijack and crash the airplane into someone's house? That house costs more than $600. Now, I have to spend all of that money to rebuild it. That's it. You're grounded for eternity. Now get upstairs to your room right now before the police finds out that you're the one who crashed that plane and arrests you. So, go now.